Metlockast Hellas is equipped with a very large number of machining machines, radials, borings, frames, oven and shot glass machines. Machining all surfaces of piston and cylinder covers, skirts and others, to original dimensions on vertical lathe and copying top automatically. Welded parts follow the annealing process automatically. Reconditioning of any types of pumps. Cylinder liners constructed successfully in our workshop. Remetalling worn crosshead connecting rod and main bearings. Hydraulic test. Machining of valves and valve seats. Custom manufactures. Piston skirts for copperings. Metlock of piston and cylinder covers, skirts and others. Metlock of any type of engine block and liner.